Good morning, my dear students. Solid state, easy way to calculate radius of an atom. Easy way to calculate radius of an atom. How to calculate radius? By knowing the edge length of the unit cell. The problem given is sodium metal crystallizes in body centered cubic structure. Sodium metal crystallizes in body centered cubic structure with the edge length of the unit cell 4.3 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Calculate the radius of sodium atom. Calculate the radius of sodium atom. So, by knowing the edge length, we are going to calculate the radius for PCC structure. Before enter into the problem, I would like to revise the packing efficiency or packing fraction in body centered cubic lattice. This is body centered cubic lattice in which the body center atom in pink color is present at the center of the unit cell and all the corner atoms are in contact with the body centered atom. The line which is passing through the body center atom is AG. AG line passing through the body centered atom. The AG line cover first one semicircle near the point A, the radius is R, then full sphere of that pink color body centered atom. There are two radius, 2R, and last one semi sphere, another one R near G. So totally the line AG cover how many radius? 4 radius. So we have to equate this AG to the edge length. ACG form a right angle triangle. A triangle ACG. To calculate AG, we require AC and CG value. We require AC and CG value. CG value is a known value. That is our edge length. CG, A. We don't know AC. So when we apply the Pythagoras theorem, AG squared equal to AC squared plus CG squared. We don't know AC. To calculate AC, one more triangle is formed. That the triangle is ABC. Triangle ABC. Using this, we can calculate AC because we know AB and BC value A. And using AC value, we can calculate AG. We can equate the radius into our edge length. Rectangle triangle ABC. See the diagram and also the equations. Rectangle triangle ABC. AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared. AC equal to root of AB squared plus BC squared. We know AB is unit length A and BC also unit length A. So AC equal to root of A squared plus A squared equal to root 2A squared. Root A squared equal to A. By knowing AC, we can apply again the Pythagoras theorem to ACG. AG squared equal to AC squared plus GC squared. AG equal to root of AC squared plus CG squared. AG equal to root of AC value we have calculated just now. Root 2A square plus CG value we know A square. Root 2 square equal to 2. So 2A squared plus A squared equal to root 3A squared. AG equal to root 3A. We know what is AG. AG is 4R. 4 radius cover the AG line. See the AG line? AG line, a diagonal line is drawn. That line passing through the body center atom. AG cover how many radius? 4 radius. First one semi sphere, 1 R, then full body centered atom with pink color, 2R, finally 1 radius. Now the final equation is, so root 3a equal to 4r, r equal to root 3 by 4 into a. We know the edge length value a. By knowing a, we can calculate the radius of an atom. In body centered cubic lattice, the radius of body centered cubic is related to the edge length by the formula r equal to root 3 by 4 into a. Edge length value is directly given in centimeter. Root 3 value we know 4. We can easily calculate the radius. Substitute all the values. Root 3 by 4 and a value is given as 4.3 and 10 power minus 8. Root 3 value is equal to 1.732 and 4.3 and 10 power minus 8 divided by, what is our denominator quantity? 4. Now we can cancel 4 and 1.32. 1 4 is 4. 0. How many 4s are in 17? 4 4s are 16. Remaining 1, 13. 3 4s are 12. Remaining 1, 12. 3 4s are 12. So the multiplication quantity is very easy. That is equal to 0.433 and 4.3 and 10 power minus 8. We have to multiply these two quantity to get the final answer. 433 and 43. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 into 4s are 12. 4 into 3s are 12, remaining 1, 13, remaining 1, 17. When I add these two, 9 plus 2 equal to 11, remaining 1, 4 plus 2 equal to 6, 7 plus 1 equal to 8, here 1. How many points you have to put? Here 3 point, here 1 point, totally 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.8619. That is our answer in centimeter. So, radius of sodium atom equal to 1.8619 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Radius is also in centimeter. So, this is how to calculate the radius of an atom using edge length. Thank you for watching this video.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.